Let's introduce the hot crimp machine. This is the main body, and here is the power supply. In full set, we include the smoke absorber here. The full set here we do not here, and the chiller. There should be a chiller to water cool the electrode and the transformer. Okay, this machine used for hot crimp like this. The wire, enamel wire, and the plugs. Okay, this is after crimps. This is a special machine for such application. Okay, here is a mechanic lock. For the thickness, for the plate thickness, like this. We want the thickness at 3.3 millimeter. We can adjust here to 3.3 here. Now we can see if we press here, this means cylinder goes down. We can make this to English interface, but the present machine is Chinese. Okay, we press the cylinder down, it goes down, and we see here. Here is 3.31. This is a mechanic lock, and also we can set here. Here is the what we set. We set here. We set how much? If we set 3.4, when the electrode condense terminal, it goes 3.4 and will stop the current. But with the pressure, it will still goes down to 3.3 and stop. Okay, this is a air pressure sensor. Pressure sensor, it shows the data here, the real data, and here is the air gauge. Okay.